Here is the 4DRC F10 Vicky GPS mini drone, and it's a drone for beginners like myself. So it comes in a handy case like this, and it is very lightweight actually. And if you just open it up and zip it, and here we are. And here's the drone itself. Very lightweight. It is very lightweight. Optical sensor on the bottom, and you've also got a the camera here, and there's a battery already slotted into it there. So, and you get a spare battery, and here's the controls. Some instructions. And spare blades in case you have a few accidents. I might be needing these actually. So 4 spare blades and a screwdriver so that you can attach the blades onto the drone. So if we unfold everything, and here's the camera, and there's a little bit of, I pull that to protective tape on it. So that's how you switch it on. So there you go, that's in the on mode now. I think it's time to test it out. Hi, so we're going to test it out in my garage, just to get it just to hover, because we had an epic fail earlier in the park because of all the wind, and it just went right into the woods. So luckily it didn't hit anybody, so that's great. So we're going to just get it to hover, and we've been watching some reviews on how to fly it because I'm a complete beginner, and so we need to calibrate it. That's the first thing we need to do, and when you calibrate it, it should then be a lot more stable. So I'm going to calibrate it. That's it, and then take off. I think that's it. If your drone is flying anywhere in a dangerous manner towards people or animals or whatever, or ornaments, tap this and it will just shut it down. So okay, so if we go like this. Oh, welcome to Tom's Tech Reviews, and I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, here we are in the local park testing it out, and just need to switch it on until, I don't know if you can see the eyes flickering, and there's a LED at the back flickering. So put it on somewhere flat. We're just using some placemats, dinner mats. Okay. And then we just need to switch the controller on, and then we need to connect it by going up and then down like that, and then we need to calibrate it by pressing and holding this button down until it stops blinking. There you are. So it should be ready to fly now. So here we go. 100 points.